You can remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once using the features. Here is a quick guide. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available at the bottom right corner of the screen and navigate to the menu section. Now scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Once you tap on the settings and privacy, from the drop down tap on the settings. Now once inside the settings, again scroll down and look for the activity log option available there and simply tap on it. Now inside activity log, you can see your Facebook activity option available there. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down and look for the tags option available and tap on it again. Since this is my anonymous account, I don't have anybody tagged anything on my profile. But if you have, then you can see the list of it here. Now all you have to do is tap on it and then tap remove tags to untag yourself from all selected photos or videos. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.